It's in here, honey. Your backpack's in here.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
In my car?
No. Only my papers.
It's in here, honey.
Oh, I found it.
There's your backpack.
Yeah, it's fun. You're gonna do this dance.
The whole thing through this time and see if you can do it.
Okay.
Because you didn't do the first part.
Okay.
Ready? Ready?
Okay.
Here.
Go. Okay, let's start that over. Go.
Ooh, give me that. What are you doing?
Ow.
Take me out. What are you doing with your crotch?
Happy Halloween.
What are you doing with your crotch?
You told me to do the dance.
Hey, guess what?
What?
Say cheese.